So today's tryouts is going to be held in the following manner. We have 3 stages. First, we gather the fighters, we explain some general concepts, what we're looking for in a fighter, how the fighters need to behave, and what type of skills they need to present, what's the process, and how we typically work with fighters. That will be explained to everyone. And then they're going to pass through 3 stages. Stage number 1 is boxing bag and boxing pads. This is where we want to see general skills of the fighters, how they move, how they throw a punch. Stage 2 is a sparring contest. In the sparring, we don't want to see the guys fighting. We want to see the guys move, the guys throwing a punch, the guys defending. But anyone that tries to apply aggressiveness or turns the sparring into a fighting session will be cut automatically. So that's what we want to see on the sparring session. Stage 3 is an interview process. That's a 60 seconds interview with the fighter in which we want to find out 2 things. What's the personal motivation behind that particular fighter willing to step and fight for BKFC? We want fighters who are looking for a long-term professional career with us and not someone that just wants to try how they're going to do in that particular format. The second thing we want to try from the interview session is how the fighter communicates with media, how the fighter behaves in front of a camera. If they speak only in their own language, it's still an asset. The fighter can still become a valuable asset if they are professional in the way they conduct themselves and if they're good in engaging the audience. If the fighter speaks English, it's even better. That means he can reach a wider audience and more people from around the world can become engaged with that fighter's story. So that's the idea behind the interview session, which, like I said, it is going to last only 60 seconds. All right, guys, here we are. We are at Lonsdale Boxing Club Sofia, getting ready for the BKFC tryouts. The weather is a bit chilly, but inside is much warmer, and we'll go get inside and see who has come. So let us show you what we do.
Andrian Vlachov.
The pet training for bare knuckle fighters is different to classic boxer?
Maybe yes. Maybe a little bit yes, because you don't have gloves, you know, and the gloves protect you. Yeah. They know, yeah. You know, and you must protect more. This is for me.
Make more elbows.
Yes, yes, yes. Everybody who looks boxing, you know, I say, oh, this is easy, bro. It's not easy. Yeah. Come every morning, start pain. Everyday pain, you know. I love the pain. This is the problem. I love this pain, but this is very, very, very difficult sport. Eat, sleep, train, repeat. Sleep, you know, this is, you must repeat every day.
Любомир Геджев съм, отговарям за международното развитие на BKFC. Правим този кастинг с няколко цели. Основно да видим дали има нов талант в България, нови желаещи, някои не са нови. Нали? Очевидно, първо ще започна с това. Искам да обясня на всички вас и това нещо също да стои някъде по медийните канали. Как стоят отношенията между промоция като BKFC, организация като BKFC и бойците, и особено имайки в предвид, че се разрастваме в държави извън щатите, където до сега промоцията е най-силна. Да? показа много добри умения.
Благодаря.
Кажи ми, каква е личната ти мотивация?
Бъдещия световен шампион в друга федерация за бойни изкуства и ми е страшно близък и той ме мотивира отново да се завърна в бойните спортове.
А защо мислиш, че трябва да те изберем? Какво ще донесеш ти, което е по-уникално и по-интересно от
Според
други?
мен ще донеса зрелище, на което съм готов да покажа на какво съм способен, също така да покажа агресия.
Марче?
Аз бих искала да ни разкажеш малко повече за това бойните спортове. Какво е той?
Тренирал съм самбо и джудо. До 3 години бил съм на трето място в републиканско състезание, след това преминах в ММА.
Какво искаш да докажеш? Че си корав или искаш да докажеш на твоите близки, че ти бива в нещо?
Да, искам да докажа на моите близки, искам да докажа и на моите приятели, на всеки един, който ми е вярвал в мене,
Че имаш това, което е нужно.
че имам хъса, имам сърцето.
Добре. Сега е важно да разбера каква е личната ти мотивация да избереш точно BKFC.
Ами, да започнем с това, че детето най-вече, роди ми се наскоро детенце, много млад баща, да.
На 19
На
години.
19,
Да, спрях спорта за известно време, понеже няма как да се съчетаят, особено когато е бебе. Имаш нужда от той от теб, имаш ти нужда от него. И сега се връщам с повече сили. Да, още не съм влезнал много във форма, но съм си обещал, че каквото е нужно, ще дам от себе си.
Смяташ ли себе си за достатъчно готов и подготвен да изградиш кариера в BKFC?
Определено мисля, че ги имам и качествата.
Lubomir, the tryouts are finished now. Are you happy?
I am very happy, yes. Very happy.
Is there any fighter that what you say, okay, this guy have talent?
Actually, not only that, there was at least 4 guys that I would like to take immediately. But I also think there is at least one future champion at BKFC here.
Really?
Yes.
All right. Maybe you can tell us the name.
No, I'm terrible at names, man. I don't remember names. But like 3 of the candidates are actually proven box, what do you call it, practitioners. They have built, established boxing career already. We've been monitoring them for maybe a year now.
Okay.
But I also saw a couple of young guys that displayed good enough skills. Let's not forget, skill is something you learn, right, over time. But they had the right character. And most importantly, I was impressed with the interviews.
All right.
See, we're looking at people that can engage the audience, that can build this character that people want to follow. And I saw that on the interviews. So that's why I say there is at least one future BKFC champion right here.
Great, great.
Yep.
So my plan on this podcast was, so I train also, but I can't train. I love to make filming.
But you're more than welcome. You are automatically included because I've seen you fight. You fought on other events that I was involved. But most of all, I really appreciate you coming to Bulgaria and giving publicity in the German audience of what is happening with BKFC in a not so distant country. I hope we can come soon to Germany and you have all our support, man.
I hope so.
Thank you,
for
brother.
everything. Thank you,
It's a
my
pleasure,
friend.
man. Thank you. On the technical side, Marcella, what do you think was the level? And
I think here was some of future stars of BKFC.
great. Well, that's all from us now, folks. See you soon.
Also Leute, ihr seht, BKFC Tryouts sind vorbei. Das ist der Anfang vom BKFC wieder mal in Bulgarien und in Europa. Es geht nämlich weiter. Die nächsten BKFC-Veranstaltungen warten schon, nämlich Italien und Dubai. Es wird spektakulär. Wir werden natürlich bei allen Veranstaltungen vor Ort sein. Wir werden euch mitnehmen auf die Reise. Wir werden Backstage sein. Wir werden ultimative Superstars interviewen, filmen und euch Einblicke geben von der Veranstaltung als auch von den Kämpfen. Ihr habt es gehört, ich könnte auch kämpfen, aber dieses Podcast-Format, das liegt mir zu sehr am Herzen, als dass ich das aufgeben möchte. Deswegen habe ich für mich selber beschlossen, dass ich selber gesagt habe, hey, ja, ich liebe es, Sport zu betreiben, aber, und jetzt das große Aber, ich bringe einfach nicht die Zeit auf, um mich wirklich so professionell vorzubereiten, als es notwendig wäre. Podcast bleibt weiterhin stabil. Wir bringen euch laufend, jetzt wieder kontinuierlich Content über BKFC. Ich weiß, in den letzten 1 bis 2 Wochen ist das Ganze ein bisschen, ja, haben wir ein bisschen nachschleifen lassen, eben wegen dem Training. Aber jetzt sind wir wieder back. Nichtsdestotrotz, ich will euch ja gar nicht voll labern. Ich freue mich über eure Kommentare, Daumen hoch, Kommentare, die Video teilen. Ihr wisst Bescheid, mein Kopf ist durch. Ich danke euch fürs Zuschauen.